Hi friends, my name is Paul and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be considering some few reasons why anyone would want to learn Python in 2021, or as at this point I'm recording this video. Python is a very popular programming language. A lot of people recommend it for beginners to start with. The first reason is the syntax. Python syntax is very simple and well structured. It is very easy to understand due to its closeness to the English language. You can write for loops as if you are actually speaking the language. For a certain number in numbers, you can do something. It's very easy to understand. That's why most people recommend it for beginners due to its simple syntax. A lot of people don't have to think about, how do I put this here, how do I put a semicolon here, how do I write the syntax of this. It's really close to the English language, and that is why most people recommend it for beginners. The second reason why anyone would want to learn Python is due to its community. Python has a really large and continuously growing kind of community. There are people that are available. A lot of people do Python these days. You will find help online anytime you want it. There are people available, the whole community is there and they are ready to help you. Another reason why a lot of people recommend it for beginners, because if you start with this and you have a problem, you have people available to help you. By the way, if you are watching this, please consider subscribing to the channel and turning on the notification to receive push notifications anytime I record and post a new video. I would really appreciate that. The third reason why you would want to learn the language at this time is due to its available frameworks and libraries. There are lots of libraries available for basically anything. There are libraries available, there are frameworks available for web development. For example, Django and Flask. There are also libraries available for doing machine learning or basically anything you can think of. There are libraries available for building desktop applications. There are libraries available for automating stuff and working with the web and a lot of stuff. There are lots of things already simplified for you. So all you need to do is to use these libraries and then everything becomes so easy. Another reason why you would want to learn Python is basically the same as what I just said, but I'm going to be more specific about it. Let's say you want to do data science, data analysis, machine learning, artificial intelligence, stuff like this. Due to Python's very easy syntax and all the available libraries, you can do this very easily. There are libraries available. There are libraries available that already have machine learning algorithms implemented for you. You don't need to go and do a lot of stuff and write the algorithms yourself. It makes a lot of stuff easy. And because the language is very simple, you can do a lot of things in just a single line of code, which makes your life a whole lot easier. If you want to do web development, there are libraries available for you. There are frameworks. Django, Flask, as I've already mentioned, give you all the necessary tools that you need to build a full-blown website. Well, not a full-blown website, basically working with the back end. The front end, you might need some HTML and CSS for designing and all of that. But for the back end, Python has got you covered. You have got Django, which would implement a lot of things for you already. It comes inbuilt. You just basically use the tools. Concretely, Python is a very simple language. It has an easy syntax to understand. It has a very large community. It has a lot of people available to help. It also has a lot of libraries and frameworks that would help you do basically anything you want to do. For this reason, you would want to learn Python in 2021. That's it for this video, and as always, feel free to text me on Twitter if you want to connect with me. That's it for this video. I thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.